Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to take these amazing homegrown cayenne peppers and turn it into a delicious wing sauce. So let's get started. All right, friends, so the first step is we're going to go ahead and cut off our stems. We're going to cut them in half and remove all of the seeds from our cayenne peppers. Once you've removed all your seeds, go ahead and chop them up into small pieces and put them in a separate container and just keep going with the rest of them. All right, friends, so I am done chopping up our cayenne peppers. I'm going to be making a double batch, but I'm going to give you the recipe for a single batch. To your pot, you're going to go ahead and add half a pound of cayenne peppers, 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of canning salt, and 3 or 4 garlic cloves crushed. All right, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up and we're going to get it going on the stove. You want to bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to turn it down and you're going to simmer it for 5 minutes. So I'll see y'all back when it's done. All right, friends, so our peppers are done. They have simmered on the stove for 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the blender and blend them up. All right, now that it's blended, we're gonna return it back to the saucepan that we were using and we're gonna put it back on the stove and we're gonna let it come to a boil again and simmer again for 5 minutes. While your sauce is simmering on the stove, this is a good time to go ahead and get your canner and all of your jars and your lids prepped and ready to go ahead and can our sauce once this is done. All right, friends, so our sauce is now done. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it one more time. I have a little strainer here just to collect any of the skin that might not have blended up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and sift it through here and see I was able to collect quite a bit of the skin. Now I'm going to wipe down all of the rims to make sure there is no sauce on the top. This way your lids will seal to your jars. Now take your clean lids and place them on top of your jars. Take your rings and do them finger tight. Now they're all ready to go in your canner. All right, friends, so now I have my canner. I have water boiling in my canner. We're gonna go ahead and take our jars and place them inside the canner. I am gonna be water bath canning these jars, not pressure canning, water bath canning. So you need to make sure that your jars are completely submerged in water by at least 2 inches of water, so that way they can pressurize within the water. And then we were gonna go ahead and let this go for 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and start loading up our canner. All right, friends, so the next step is I'm gonna go ahead and place my lid on top. Yes, this is a pressure canner, but I'm using it as a water bath canner. I will not be using the weighted gauge, therefore pressure would not be building up inside the canner. I'm gonna wait until I hear a nice boil. Once I hear the boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 20 minutes. So I'll see y'all back in 20 minutes. All right, friends, so our jars are now done. The timer went off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove our lid. Open it away from you, not towards you, because the steam is hot and it will burn you. I went ahead and I put a towel on my counter, and using my utensil, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these hot jars out and put them on the counter. You wanna make sure you have a towel put down because the cool counter could shock your jars and cause them to break. So let's go ahead and take our jars out of the canner. When lifting out your jars, do not tilt them. The water on the top will evaporate. Just lift them straight out and put them on your counter. All right, friends, and there we have it. We've got our own wing sauce that we made here on the homestead with our own cayenne peppers from the garden. This is gonna go great on my chicken wings that I'm gonna be cooking up for everybody. They are gonna love this. So the next thing that you're gonna wanna be doing is letting your jars sit here and cool for 24 hours. You wanna make sure that they are sealed. At 24 hours, they'll be cool enough to where you can handle. You'll go ahead and remove the ring and ensure that they have completely sealed. If they have not sealed, you need to go ahead and reprocess them again exactly the same way. And at that time, they should seal. If they do not seal, go ahead and store them in the refrigerator and use them up, or you can put them in the freezer and then use them as you go. You're going to be listening for a ping, and I'm sure you just heard that ping just a few minutes ago. That is the jar actually sealing. So I know that these are going to be great down in the pantry and they will last a while. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.